Guys, narito kami guys. Birthday ni Ate Marge. Ayan, happy birthday Ate Marge. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan yung birthday girls, Ate Margie. Ang dami nilang pagkain. Yung order namin na sa inyo. Ayan na guys. Nandito kami sa Prince Palace in Cannington.
Na-picture niyo si Prince.
Ang saya naman nilang kumain. Sige, sige. Sige, nag-pray na si ano. Sarap naman ng food.
Ang problema siya makain. Kami nga ni Ori, hindi kami ng problema.
Ayun yung aming mga happy birthday sis. Friendship, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Friendship, happy birthday. Ayan, makapila sila. Okay. Masarap naman ng food. Happy birthday, girls. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, ate. Smile. Ang gaganda. Ayan, makatabihin sila, oh. It's Ate Marge's birthday and si Sorry.